Good morning, student, all of you. Here we will discuss today the vector triple product. Last day we have discussed about scalar triple product of the three vectors. Here the three vector A, B, C are the three vectors. Where the vector triple product can be represented by A cross B cross C, comma C cross A cross B, comma B cross C cross A. These are the triple product. For finding the triple product, you know it, for finding the triple product A cross B cross C equal to, you can write but A dot C into B. This is a simple product. It is not a dot product, not a cross product. A cross A dot C cross into B. The second one A dot B into C. Okay. Similarly, all you can find by using this. Here the triple product is said to be vector triple product. Why it is said to be vector triple product? Because after solving them we will get a vector quantity. ये सब जाए सॉल्व कला पर आम गोटे कौन करिया वेक्टर क्वांटिटी आमको मिल सो इट इज नोन एज व्हाट वेक्टर ट्रिपल प्रोडक्ट. लेट अस डिस्कस मोर अबाउट द वेक्टर ट्रिपल प्रोडक्ट. सो नाउ विल गेट देन हाउ टू फाइंड द वेक्टर ट्रिपल प्रोडक्ट. फॉर एन एग्जांपल, if you take what ABC are the three vectors, let A vector equal to 2i cap plus j cap plus k cap, B vector equal to 3i cap minus 2j cap plus 4k cap, and C vector equal to I cap minus j cap minus k cap. Here are the three vectors we have to find. We want to find the triple product, vector triple product. A cross B cross C. Here formula, application of this formula, A dot C into B vector minus A dot B into C vector. By application of this, the first formula you will get how to find. So instead of what A dot C, you write what 2 into 3 A dot C, yes sorry, A dot C here 1, 2 into 1 plus minus 1 into my plus 1 into minus 1 plus here 1 into minus 1, 1 into minus 1. This what A dot C into B vector, instead of B vector you put what 3i cap minus 2j cap plus 4k cap. So similarly, you find the dot product A dot B. Here A dot B is there. Here dot product is 2 into 3, 2 into 3 plus 1 into minus 2 plus 1 into 4 into here C vector is there. So instead of C vector you put what I cap minus j cap minus k cap. So now you simplify. Here it is what 2 minus 1 minus 1. 2 minus 1 minus 1 equal to what minus 2 plus 2 equal to 0. 0 into 3i cap minus 2j cap plus 4k cap. This is the first part. Minus. So what is the value of this? 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 4 plus 4 equal to 8. 8 into I cap minus j cap minus k cap. So this is 0, total equal to 0. So this is minus 8 into 1 minus 8 I cap plus 8 j cap plus 8 k cap. So your final result is minus 8 I cap plus 8 j cap plus 8 k cap. So this is, so vector triple product can be calculated by using this format. Okay, understood or not? This is the vector triple product. Here are the some questions we want to solve. Question number 6 you look at. if A vector A bar, B bar and C bar are three mutually perpendicular vectors. If ABC are three mutually perpendicular vector, then show that A dot B cross C whole square equal to A square B square C square. We have to show this. Okay. And here it is the question. 7 question 7 also. Just I am going to write here. A plus B, B plus C and C plus A is equal to 2 into triple product A B C, scalar triple product A B C. So first of all we will prove this. Question number 6, you look at what is given. A B C are mutually perpendicular vector. Okay, A B C are mutually perpendicular vector. Means A perpendicular to B. Their proof is that A perpendicular B, that implies what happens in dot product A dot B equal to 0, 0 and A cross B equal to AB. Look at here. A magnitude into B magnitude, instead of A magnitude or B magnitude I put what AB. So when A perpendicular to B, then what happens? A dot B equal to 0 and A perpendicular to B equal to AB. Next one, B perpendicular to C. Mutual perpendicular means A B सहित perpendicular, B C सहित and C A सहित perpendicular. That implies what happens here, B dot C equal to 0 and B cross C equal to B C, you take what? Okay. So this is the second case, and third one you will get C perpendicular to A vector. That implies what? C dot A equal to 0 and C cross A also equal to CA. So after this, here we write what LHS. LHS is A dot B cross C whole square. So instead of what B dot C, sorry, B cross C, you put B cross C equal to BC, you put what BC dot A vector. So you get here, this is the BC is the scalar quantity, BC is the scalar quantity, here it is what A is the what vector quantity. BC टा गोटे कौन स्केलर हेगला एठी, BC पड़ी आसला माने ता ऊपर किछि बार नै माने सिंपली इट इज द स्केलर क्वांटिटी. बट स्केलर क्वांटिटी सहित एटा डॉट प्रोडक्ट हे परनी, सिंपली एटा कोन मल्टीप्लाई हिजबो A वेक्टर इनटू BC, A वेक्टर इनटू BC, that whole square is equal to, can be written what A vector magnitude square and B square and C square. Now that equal to A square B square C square. Okay. So now look at here. Here B cross C equal to BC, that I have written here. B cross C equal to BC. Here I put. गोटे एटा होची कोन BC टा होची कोनटा गोटे स्केलर क्वांटिटी, गोटे वेक्टर सहित डॉट प्रोडक्ट के वे पेरेन, दैट इज व्हाट ABC. It is ABC, square of this one equal to A square B square C square. Okay. So this is the question number 6 from the exercise. So question number 7 from the exercise, how to solve it, look at it. Here LHS you take. Before starting, I am going to write here A B C is the triple product. Whose triple product? Scalar triple product. ABC is the scalar triple product. Here it means what? A dot B cross C, this one. Triple product, scalar triple product of ABC equal to A dot B cross C. So we apply this format, we solve this. Here it is what given, A plus B, B plus C and C plus A, triple product. Okay, all are what arrow mark put on the arrowhead. Here also arrowheads are put on them. So now look at this one equal to this one. So we have to prove. So this one you think according to this A, B, C. Here you think this is A and this is B and this is C. Apply this formula, you will get what A vector plus B vector. Here dot. So B cross C means B cross C. B plus C vector cross C plus A vector. This one. So now you multiply first of all here the B cross C and B cross A plus B cross A plus here C cross A, C to C, this is 0 because the cross product of these two similar vectors C did a similar vector cross product is 0. So here it is what is C cross A. Dot is there, here A plus B. Now you multiply, here you will get A dot B cross C. First one A dot B cross C. Second one A dot B cross A. This 0, you leave it. A dot C cross A. Then you multiply B with this. Then you get what B plus B dot B cross C plus B dot B cross A plus B dot C cross A. So here it is the 0. Why it is 0? Here A, two similar vectors are there and cross product is there. So it is 0. Here also 2A. Here this is also 0. BB, here BB. So this is 0. So you put what? This is instead of this you write what? A dot B cross C. This is 0, this is 0 and this is 0, this is 0 plus this is what? B dot C cross A. So this is the one of the what? Triple product. ABC triple product. This is ABC triple product. This is 0 plus this one equal to BCA triple product. So I have told this is the ABC triple product is equal to BCA triple product equal to CAB triple product. ABC, BCA, CAB तीनों triple product equal. So instead of this you write ABC. Here ABC triple product plus instead of this also you put what? ABC triple product. So that is what? Twice of triple product ABC. Okay. So these are important for your proof. Okay. Now we will discuss some word problem related to vector. So word problem, what are the word problem you look at from the first exercise of the element. Yes, some word problems are there. So one by one we have to prove. The first word problem is given. Look at page number 355. 355 first exercise. Here geometrical problems are there. We have to prove by using what? Vector method. Geometrical problems. So here is the main things, geometrical problems. Solving of geometrical problem using vector. So the first one given here, the page number 355. Page number 355, question number 22, first video you will get. Here what is the statement given? The median of the triangle are concurrent. The diagonal, the median of the concurrent are concurrent. So what is the meaning of this? The median of a triangle is concurrent, are concurrent. So here is the statement. We have to prove by using what vector method. So how to prove? Let us discuss one by one. Yeah, this is the statement. Okay. So here is the figure you will get. So what figure it is given? In any triangle, the median of a triangle. Triangle given. Median means suppose A is the ABC is the what one of the triangle whose vertices are given. This you say x1 y1. Simply you take what x1 y1 or z1 also you can also take that, or otherwise you take what z1. Here the vertices of the second b equal to x2 y2 z2. Here vertices equal to x3 y3 z3. एटा पॉइंट स्थानांक मीन्स द वर्टिसेस गिवन एबीसी ट्रायंगल दिया है जे कोनोस गुटे त्रिभुज मीडियन मीन्स व्हाट मध्यमा. सो आर मिड पॉइंट को इट जॉइन करले. सो हियर यू विल गेट व्हाट वन ऑफ द मीडियन एडी इज द मीडियन. आर मिड पॉइंट को इट की जॉइन करले द लाइन इज नोन एज व्हाट मीडियन. एडी इज द मीडियन. सो हियर दिस सेकंड पॉइंट, हियर दिस द सेकंड मिड पॉइंट. On joining them, then you will get what BE median, and other is what here is the third point midpoint of what AB. On joining, then you will get what another median CF, and the point of intersection, this is known as what centroid. Centroid. ये कौन कोई चीज? Here it is the question to you. The median of the triangle are concurrent. Concurrent अर्थ होची एपटर जोटा ये जो पॉइंट है तीनटा जाको गोटे बिंदुगामी एक बिंदुगामी तीनटा जाको मध्यमा एक बिंदुगामी. दैट इज द मीडियन. कंकरेंट मींस एक बिंदुगामी गोटे बिंदु रे तीनटा जाको मध्यमा पास करिवे. केमती पास करिवे देखिबा. बिफोर दैट यू विल गेट ये AD. AD is the one of the what? AD is the median. AD is the median. And in which what here is the intersecting point G you say. The first one, here the intersecting point of the two median you consider. The two medians should intersect. दिखते जगह median निश्चित भाव intersect करिवे किंतु third median टे intersect करिवे बोली किसी माने नहीं. But here it is the we have to prove the third median also passing the same point. केमती पास करिवो जानिए पहले. आर इंटरसेक्टिंग पॉइंट को हमें कौन नवा जी नवा. यार एपटे केता वो 2:1 रेशियो रे ये कौन करियो जी पॉइंट रे ये कौन करियो इंटरसेक्ट करियो. एटा 2:1 रेशियो रे जी पॉइंट रे ये कौन एडी टा को कौन कराबो 2:1 रेशियो रे जी पॉइंट रे इंटरसेक्ट करियो. बी मीडियन को मध्य 2:1 रेशियो रे जी पॉइंट रे इंटरसेक्ट करियो हला. ता अर्थ यार 2:1 पॉइंट रे जेति के आसो पॉइंट जेति के आसो 0 एपटे 2:1 रे सेति ही आसीबो तार कोन वर्टिसेस. एपटे 2:1 रेशियो मध्ये सेति के आसीबो. वी हैव टू प्रूव. ओके अंडरस्टूड दैट हाउ व्हाट टू प्रूव. लेट्स सी. प्रूफ in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, A equal to x1 y1 z1. This is the vertices of A, and B x2 y2 z2, and C x3 y3 z3. Or otherwise you will take another way. Here it is the very clumsy method. Instead of this you can also write what the position of this one equal to A vector you take, the position of B equal to B vector, and the position of what C equal to C vector you write. In triangle ABC, the position vector of A is A vector, the position vector of B is B vector, the position vector of C is C vector. You take this one, okay. So first of all you find D, the position vector of D. D रो position vector कौन है इसको आर मिड पॉइंट टा D टा होची मिड पॉइंट टा यदि टा जब ऐड करी by 2 करी the position vector of D equal to what? D equal to B vector plus C vector by 2. This is a B vector, this is C vector by 2 because this is the midpoint. The position vector of G with respect to median AD at 2:1 ratio. Look at here at the 2:1 ratio because this is the 2 part and this is the 1 part. So what is the vertices? You look at here with respect to कौन लिखा है जी AD रो अर्थ होची AD ऊपर G पॉइंट रो vertices केते अब एडी D टा केते है सेटा A plus B by 2 आसला एडी A vector plus B vector by 2 यार sorry B vector plus C vector by 2 B vector plus C vector by 2 here B vector here C vector by 2 okay so here 0 केमते आसीयो 2 into this vector 2 into what B vector plus C vector by 2 plus 1 into this part means A vector by 2 plus 1 this is the vertices of G with respect to AD so again you write here 2 will cut here B vector plus C vector plus this one A vector by 2 plus 1 3 this is what position of G with respect to AD again you find what position vector of E रो position vector कहता है इसको E रो position E is the midpoint of what AC रो midpoint so कहता है इसको A vector plus B vector sorry A vector plus C vector by 2 here A vector this is a C vector by 2 so PB of G with respect to WRT means with respect to BE at 2:1 ratio पहले B ऊपर मते G टा 2:1 रेशियो रछि केमते आसे देखिबा G इक्वल टू फाइंड आउट करिया पे एपडे 2 into this part 2 into a part रो कोन होची A plus C by 2 A vector plus C vector by 2 plus 1 into B vector by 2 plus 1 here also you got then we get G here A plus B plus C A vector plus B vector plus C vector by 3 here wait with respect to B and with respect to AD we found the same point similarly we can prove what with respect to CF also we can prove what A vector plus B vector plus C vector with respect to AC try to prove G with respect to CF therefore what the statement is the median of triangle are concurrent ए तीनटा जाकर median रो एटा median टा जोटी मीट होची से गुडा होची concurrent अर्थ होची गुटे बिंदु गानी बुझा पड़े ने कोन पे एडी ऊपर जो पॉइंट आसिला हियर कोन सेकंड होची बी ऊपर से पॉइंट आसिला एंड सीएफ पर मध्ये से पॉइंट आसिला सो दे आर व्हाट concurrent these are you know that is the 6 mark question will come one of the question okay very important question okay what problems are very important you know plus 2 examination so another proof you look at by application of the vector method another proof we will do the line joining here the question number third bit the line joining with the midpoint of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to third side and half of it. So how to prove this? So what is given here? We will discuss. Here is the proof. So जेकोसी त्रिभुजर here given the line joining with the midpoint of the to the midpoint of any two side of the triangle. You look at ABC is any triangle whose position vectors are what? B position vector B and C position vector C. The position vector of A, B, C are given, A, B, C respectively. Here we have to prove the line joining the midpoint of any two sides is parallel to third side and half of it. माने यार midpoint टा suppose P and Q are the two midpoint. ए PQ टा BC सहित parallel होबो आउ आर अधा होबो. 9th रे 8th 9th रे पढ़ाई तो गोटे उपपाद्य that is theorem. The PQ is parallel to half of BC and PQ equal to half of BC and PQ is parallel to BC. एटा होज midpoint theorem बोली कुआ जाय. वेक्टर रे केमती प्रूव करा हो लेट्स डिस्कस. In triangle ABC, PB of position vector of A equal to A vector, position vector of B equal to B vector, and position vector of C equal to C vector. You take what? Here PB of P रो PB माने एवडो जे midpoint टा हो जेटा. So कौन आसो A vector plus B vector by 2. एटा होची midpoint. यार दिटे जे by कर देले पळे आसो. And PB of Q रो PB केता आसो A vector plus C vector by 2. This is what Q vector रो PB. Now you look at PQ vector equal PQ vector means Q minus एटार फाइनल पॉइंट रो इनिशियल पॉइंट माइनस करले तो PQ वेक्टर आसीबो. सो A वेक्टर प्लस C वेक्टर बाय 2 माइनस A वेक्टर प्लस B वेक्टर बाय 2. सो हियर 2 इज द एलसीएम. A वेक्टर प्लस C वेक्टर माइनस A वेक्टर माइनस B वेक्टर. सो व्हिच कॉट हियर A वेक्टर कॉट हियर C वेक्टर माइनस B वेक्टर by 2. So you can also write this is C vector 1 by 2 C vector minus 1 by 2 B vector. Okay, this is the PQ vector. Now find what BC vector. BC vector equal to final point minus this one C vector minus B vector. Position vector of C minus position vector of B. This is BC vector. And this is PQ vector. R DRS केते होची? R DRS होची into 1 and minus 1. R DRS 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2. Since you look at since it केते रहला 1 by 2 by तळे it केते रहला 1 रहला is equal to it केते रहला minus 1 by 2 by minus 1 रहला. यार DRS को R DRS को डिवाइड करो means A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2 हेले parallel आइसो. Therefore what happens, these two are equal. Therefore what PQ parallel to what BC. बर्तमान PQ और BC रो parallel पड़े से हमें देखिए पड़िबो. तेरा फर्स्ट हो जेटा parallel लिखा है जी parallel to the third side and half of it. और half वाली प्रूव कराओ. half कैसे प्रूव कराओ? PQ magnitude find out कराओ. PQ magnitude माने तार लेंथ रा find out कराओ. PQ equal to what? This one PQ magnitude equal to केते आसीबो 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 whole square root over. This is the PQ magnitude. Okay, this one equal to what? 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 root over equal to 2 by 4 root over 2 by 4. Okay, root over 2 by 4. So this you got, then we get what? 1 by root 2. So now we get here the BC magnitude equal to here what is the value of BC का BC रो होची इट केते रहला 1 minus 1 square plus minus 1 square that equal to root 2. Okay, so आको 4 time r half टा होची एटा केमते r half हो देखै पड़ियो. So ये PQ equal to again you write PQ magnitude equal to 1 by root 2 को मु तळे ऊपर root 2 रे मल्टीप्लाई करबी. तळे केते आसिला ऊपर रे root 2 तळे रे 2 এটা হচ্ছে √2, এটা তার হাফটা হচ্ছে এটা হাফ √2, দ্যাট ইকুয়াল টু হাফ ইনটু √2, দ্যাট ইকুয়াল টু হাফ ইনটু √2টা কেতে BC ର ম্যাগনিটিউড, so PQ equal to half BC also, that's it is verified. So कौन आइसिला in any triangle that statement it is already proved. Okay, later we will discuss more about the vectors and few important problems. Okay.